Hi, my name is Dr. Nkiru Kachuba.
And I'm Dr. Erin Gregg Newman.
And together, we are co-directors of the UCI School of Medicine's MedAcademy.
UCI-med-academy is a week-long summer experience designed to introduce high school students to medical careers and broaden students' understanding of the healthcare field. From the emergency room to the operating room, the UCI-med-academy gives a 360-degree view of the medical profession and gives scholars tools to better approach their academics and activities to make them successful college and eventual medical school applicants.
One of the most memorable experiences was actually when we did the clinical rounds and when we did the simulations. That was really fun because it was hands-on experience, and I got to experience how you can do intubations and like injections, and yeah, it was really fun.
Definitely going into the simulation room, we got to see a bunch of cool different technology that they have access to that's very high end, like the CPR dummies. They breathe and they blink and they act like real people. So I think that was a really cool, memorable experience that I'm not going to be able to forget.
The MedAcademy team has designed an engaging and interactive curriculum that's comprised of 4 main pillars. First, medical exposure. MedAcademy explores clinical topics that will not only give scholars insight to the medical world, but let them leave our academy with practical skills. Our program gives access to the renowned UCI Medical School Simulation and Clinical Skills Center to allow students to interview standardized patients, practice medical resuscitation, and learn various procedures such as suturing and ultrasound. The path. Our program teaches scholars what it takes to become a physician and walks scholars down the path of the medical school application and training process.
It's mainly through the lectures that they talk about the process of applying to medical school. What I've learned is that it's pretty similar to applying to college. You have to write a lot of essays, get some letter of recommendations. You have to do some extracurriculars and whatnot. And then we also get some hands-on experience through the simulations and the labs, and that gives us a basic understanding of what to do in medical school, like CPR and AED, that type of stuff.
Health equity. Scholars will investigate health disparities plaguing vulnerable populations and consider actions we can take as health professionals to bridge gaps in health equity. Mentorship. UCI Med-Academy scholars will work closely with current medical students, residents, and faculty physicians to build relationships and learn about their journeys to the world of medicine.
What motivated me is when I was in high school, I kind of had thought I wanted to be a doctor, but I had no direction, right? So I didn't know anything about it. I had never job shadowed or anything, and nobody in my family was a doctor. And so I just wish that I would have had a program like this. And mentorship is so important to me, and that's exactly why I decided to be a student director.
Across my journey going to medical school, I've had so many mentors that helped me get to where I am right now, and I want to do the same thing for other students too.
It's really amazing that they get to act like a medical student for a week and really use all of our resources, all of our facilities. And something I personally had never experienced in high school, so I would love to give this back to other students. And also it's just really fun. So join MedAcademy.
It's such a great opportunity to come in with an open mind and ready to learn, because you are going to learn a lot in just 1 week, and be open to just making so many friends here. This is such a great community of like-minded individuals at such a young age. You don't get many opportunities to be put in such a situation like that. So I think it's really great for their development and great for their social and networking skills. So I really come ready to learn and make new friendships.
MedAcademy is a great program to go to if you're thinking about becoming a doctor. Again, we're going to show you different experiences like the Sim Center, showing you different procedures that we get to do as doctors, and this getting a good way and a pathway for you to become a doctor. So if you're interested in it, you should definitely apply.
If you're curious about a career as a physician, we invite you to apply to the UCI MedAcademy today.